Welcome to another quick fix. Have you ever turned on your GameCube and gotten this message? Of course you have. That's why you're here. You can reset your clock settings every time you turn on your console, or we can get that fixed up right now, so you don't need to deal with it again for another 20 years or so. You will need some soldering ability and some replacement parts that are pretty cheap too. Get yourself some new tabbed Super Nintendo save batteries and a game bit screwdriver to open up your console as well. Optionally, you can also install a battery cage for flat coin batteries too, but I just happen to have tabbed versions available, so that's what I'm using. Start by removing the bottom 4 screws from your console and take off the top cover. If you notice you have a lot of dust and debris trapped inside, now might be a good time to blow it all out. No need to remove any screws after the top is off though. The front control panel pops on and off with 2 locking arms on either side. Just pull out on both edges and it'll come loose. Then remove the ribbon cable in the front to take out the whole assembly. This is the part we'll be working on. The clock battery is located in the top right, and to get full access to it, you need to remove the 2 Phillips screws on the back. Flip it over and desolder the 2 points holding it in place and remove it completely. Grab your new battery and check to make sure it is being placed in the right direction. The positive and negative symbols are shown on the front of the board, so you don't need to remember how the old battery was taken out either. Slide your new battery into the slots and bend the tabs on the back to hold it in place while you solder it down. And you're done. That's it. Reassemble your system in reverse order, and when you turn it on, be sure to reset the clock to the proper settings. I hope this helped you with your system, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next fix.